In this video, we're going to show you how to order stock and book it in. Raise an order, send it, and receive it, all in one place. When it is time to restock, you raise a purchase order. Everything you have ordered lives under the stock menu, in Purchase Orders. Open the stock menu and choose Purchase Orders. Here is every order, with its status at a glance. A draft you're still working on, one that has been sent to the supplier, and one that has already arrived. To raise a new one, you start by choosing the supplier, then add the products and the quantities you need. As you go, Velastria totals it up for you, including the VAT. Here is an order in draft. You can see each line, the quantities, the prices, and the total at the bottom. When you are happy, you send it for approval, so nothing goes out of the door without a second pair of eyes. Once it is approved, you send it. You can email it straight to the supplier, or download a tidy PDF to print or attach yourself. This order has already been sent and is now on its way. When the boxes arrive, you book them in, you tick off what actually turned up, and for anything with a shelf life, you record its batch number and expiry date, so Velastria can watch those dates for you later. The moment you save that, your stock goes up automatically, the batches are logged, and the order is marked as received. Here is one that came in fully, with its delivery recorded against it. No spreadsheets, no double entry. For the products you sell on to patients, this is where you set the price. Retail Products and Prices lists everything sellable in one place. You set each price, Velastria handles the VAT, and every item links back to its stock, so selling one takes it off your shelf. Spot the pound placeholder still waiting to be priced up. So that is the whole loop. Raise the order, get it approved, send it to your supplier, then book in the delivery, and your stock and your prices look after themselves.